Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Render. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Render has broken out another symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that after the breakout, it is still moving to the upside. And in today's video, we will analyze this breakout. And I would also like to show you these two breakouts, which are happening on the 7 days time frame chart from this very long-term down channel. In fact, when the price was moving at this long-term support of 40 cents. In those days, I shared several videos with you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this long-term down trend line resistance of the channel. And after the breakout, I was telling you that the expected target can be here at the top of the channel between $8 to $10. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to $13.83. And from this though, when it was dropped down here, and we had a long spike up to the next support here at 27 cents. Up till this high, you can see that it has rallied almost 4,850%. Let me place it once again. From this though to here. Yes, it was more than 4,950%, almost 5,000% rally. And during this rally, the price then also formed another rising wedge pattern. And after breaking out this wedge, the price line has recently retested the previous support, the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and geared up. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared on 15th of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Render formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone, and this was almost 72% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, we caught almost 111% pump, and this was another harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that Render was about to complete on the daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair, and this was the complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line first drop down into the buying zone here. Then we had a very massive reversal, and this was almost 111%, very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Render. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days, since after 5th of March 2024, it was moving inside this symmetrical triangle, and you can see that the price then was testing the resistance more than the support. Like we tested the support here, then we got several ejections by the resistance, then we tested the support here, then we got several ejections, and again we tested the support here, and finally we have broken out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from the symmetrical triangle, then technical target for this breakout can be here. That is almost at $20. And in that situation, the price line can also break out this next long-term resistance of first this resistance of $10. You can see that right now it is starting to break out this resistance of $10. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days here, it was breaking as a support, and now it is breaking as a resistance, and then it can also break out the next resistance of $13.50 as well in order to hit the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle. And on this weekly time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out these two very big patterns. First, we broke out the this resistance of the down channel, and the target for the breakout was here at between somewhere $8 to $10, and you can see that the price line has already achieved that target and rallied beyond that target. And now, if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this rising wedge pattern, that expected target is, by the way, here. That is almost at $20, exactly almost at the same level where we have the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.